Guys, in this video I will show you how to create an account on your SHEIN. So how to create an account or a profile on SHEIN, let's do it. First you have to download SHEIN. When you download it, click on it and it will open directly on your shop page or home page. Come right now, click on me or profile and click here on sign in. Or just from here you can click sign in. So I will go here and click sign in from this place, and you have to write your mobile number or email address. I write it right now, click continue, and you will wait. So you have to do this step like this, and here you have to write a password. As you see, I set up password. Right now I will add my phone number. Click submit or click send. Then they will send you a verification code. As you see right now, they send me a verification code. I will write it here. 515 and click submit and click here, and that's it, guys. Congratulations, you have right now an account on SHEIN. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.